Hello all, this is the first video in my channel. Here we are going to discuss about machine learning basics. We know humans learn from their past experiences and machines follow instructions given by humans. But what if human can train the machines to learn from their past data? So that's Paul. He loves listening to new songs. He either likes them or dislikes them. He decides this by song's tempo, genre, intensity, and gender of voice. For simplicity, let's just use tempo and intensity for now. So here tempo is on the x-axis ranging from relaxed to fast, whereas intensity on y-axis ranging from light to soaring. So we see Paul likes the song with fast tempo and soaring intensity, while he dislikes song with relaxed tempo and light intensity. So now we know Paul's choices. Let's saw Paul listen to a new song. Let's name it as song A. New song. Let's name it song A. Song A has fast tempo and soaring intensity, so it's belonging here. Now looking at the data, can you guess whether Paul will like the song or not? Correct. So Paul likes the song. By looking at Paul's past choices, we were able to classify the unknown song very easily, right? Let's say now Paul listening to a new song. Let's label it as song B. Song B lies somewhere with medium tempo and medium intensity, neither relaxed nor fast, and neither light nor soaring. Now can you guess whether Paul likes it or not? Are the choices are not clear? Correct. You can easily classify song A, but when the choice become complicated, as in the case of song B, that's where machine learning comes in. Let's see how in the same example for song B, if it draw a circle around song B, basically there is 4 votes for like, whereas 1 votes for dislike. If we go for the majority votes, we can say Paul will definitely like song. That's all. This was a basic machine learning algorithm. It is called K nearest neighbor algorithm. So this is the small example from many machine learning algorithm. Quite easy, right? Believe me, it is. But what happens when the choices become complicated, as in the cases we saw? That's where machine learning comes in. It learns the data, builds the prediction model, and when the new data points comes in, it can easily predict it more the data, better model, and then higher will be what? Accuracy. There are many ways in which machine learns. It could be either machine learns in 3 ways: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and third number is reinforcement learning. That's all for now. In our next video we will discuss supervised learning. Thank you for watching. Good day.